In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background effects in Microsoft Teams meetings. Whether you want to maintain privacy or simply add a little flair to your video calls, customizing your background in Microsoft Teams is a simple yet powerful feature. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, we'll start by navigating to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Microsoft Teams in the search bar. Once you find the official site, click on it and it'll take you to the Teams homepage. Now, to access the full range of Teams functionalities, you'll need to sign in. Simply click on the Sign In button prominently displayed and use your Microsoft account credentials to log in. If you're already signed in, you'll land directly on your Teams dashboard. Once logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. This is your gateway to all of Teams features. From this menu, please click on Calendar. This will display all your scheduled meetings. Find the meeting where you'd like to add a background effect. Scroll through your calendar or use the search function to locate and select your desired meeting. Now that you have your meeting selected, find and click on the Join button. This will open up the meeting preview window where you can make several adjustments before officially joining the call. Before you proceed with any settings, ensure that your camera is turned on. It is essential since background effects only apply when the camera is enabled. You'll find the camera toggle right there on the preview screen. Make sure it's switched to the on position. With your camera activated, look for the option labeled Background Filters. Click on this button and you'll be presented with a selection of background options. Microsoft Teams offers a variety of built-in backgrounds to choose from, ranging from a simple blur effect to themed backgrounds designed to create a professional or creative atmosphere. If you've already got a specific image in mind, you can also upload your own custom background to personalize your meeting even further. Once you've browsed through the options and found a background that suits your needs, click on it to see a preview of how it will look during your meeting. This preview allows you to ensure that your chosen background complements both your appearance and the meeting's context. If it looks good, confirm your selection. And there you have it. A seamless, engaging video call environment tailored to your preferences. By following these steps, you can elevate your virtual presence, add a touch of personality, and ensure a distraction-free background during your Microsoft Teams meetings. Thanks for watching and happy meetings!